Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to take screenshots in Mac OS machine. So let's get started. In Mac OS machine, if you want to take screenshots, you have to use any of these shortcuts. Either you have to press Command key along with Shift key and 5, or you have to press Command key, Shift key, and the other number 4. Okay, any of these shortcuts will work, guys. But first of all, if you are new to Mac, you may not know what is this command key. Let me show you here. This is the command key, guys. So it has this symbol. Okay, this command key need to be selected along with Shift and 5 or Shift and 4. Okay, now let me practically show you capturing the screenshot of whatever you are seeing on the screen. Okay, for that I am going to press command key, Shift key, and 5 number together. Okay, 5 key number together. Shift, command, and 5. The moment I selected these three keys, press this three keys together, that is command, shift, and 5, I got these options, right? Capture entire screen, capture selected windows. If you don't want to capture, just close this, it will go away. Okay. Or you can capture the selected portion and you can drag and then capture. Okay. If you, after selecting this option, you can drag the area that you want to capture and capture the screenshot, and some recording options are also coming here, and a few other options. Okay. For now, I'll go with this capture entire screen. Okay. Select this capture entire screen and just move your mouse here. As you can see, your cursor got converted into a camera icon. Okay. Now, when that is happened, when that camera icon is displayed, just tap, just click or tap once, whatever the settings you have. You see, it will take a screenshot. The screenshot is already taken. Okay. Whatever you are seeing on that with highlighted screenshot, okay, that is already taken here. This is a screenshot that has been taken, guys. Okay. So this is what is a screenshot, guys. This is what is a screenshot. So now, if you don't like this screenshot, if you don't like this screenshot, you can delete this. Okay, you can delete this. Okay, if you don't want to save this screenshot on your machine, you can delete this, or you just select done here. Okay, if you select done here, if you want to use this screenshot, okay, whatever you have used, just select done here. The screenshot will be saved on your desktop here. Okay, this is a screenshot. Whatever the screenshot you taken has been saved here on your desktop. Okay, this is a screenshot, guys. Now the second way. Okay, let me show you the second way of taking the screenshot by using another like number 4 along with command and shift key. So now let me press command key, shift key, and number 4 together. Command, shift, and 4 together. I just selected, and my mouse cursor got converted to this kind of 7. It's giving me the right x and y coordinates, it seems. Okay, so when you get this kind of thing, just drag this. Okay, like this, whatever the area you want, just select that and release. The moment you release, a screenshot has been taken of the selected area. If you want to keep this screenshot again, just say done. Or if you don't want the screenshot to get saved in your machine, you can select this delete option. Okay, for now I'll save done. Now on my desktop, the newly taken screenshot will be saved. This is a screenshot. Okay, just open here. This is a screenshot I have taken using the second way. Okay, the second way I have, that is command, shift, and 4. Either command, shift, 5 or command, shift, 4. With command, shift, 5, you are getting more options. With command, shift, 4, you are just getting only one option. Okay, where you have to select the required screen area and then release it. The screen will be captured. So as most of the software testers need this kind of feature, like when they are working on Mac, if they have to take the screenshot, they can utilize any of these shortcuts, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.